Are you looking for a good tool to crimp wire ferrules in your electrical wiring projects? In this video, I'm reviewing the Haisstronica Ferrule Crimper. Surprisingly, it turns out to be one of my favorite. Stay tuned and let's see what it's got. Right out of the box, the Haisstronica Ferrule Crimping Kit comes in a nice stylish storage box. Inside you'll find a square ferrule crimper, a dozen buckets full of ferrule sleeves of different sizes, and a multifunctional wire stripper. And the storage case has locking tabs to keep the tools nice and safe. You can use the wire stripper to strip wires from gauges 20 to 10 AWG. These wire strippers have gripping jaws at the end, which I'm actually using to rip apart the polythene bags in which the ferrules are packed. The wire cutters are close to the fulcrum, which gives you better leverage when cutting wires. But most importantly, the wire strippers have a lock lever to keep them closed for storage. I like this feature a lot on my spring-loaded pliers. However, it looks like these wire strippers are designed for small wires. I tried to cut a 10mm cable and it looks like the cutters got a slight damage. They won't cut small wires cleanly anymore, but they strip wires nicely and with minimal effort, and of course they feel good in the hands. Oh, seems like they are cutting better when I flip them over, but not as good as they did before. Now let's take a look at how the crimpers work. I like to test a ferrule crimper with the smallest wire, and as you will see, they crimp a 20 gauge home theater wire nicely and tightly. Now let me compare these Haisstronica Ferrule Crimper with the Kaiweets crimper I reviewed some time back because they look very similar. I've put the link above in case you want to check it out. Surprisingly, it just works as good as the Kaiweets in my own view. This is how they compare, and the crimps look identical. And if you feel like the crimper is not squeezing the ferrules tight enough, you can adjust the tension on the crimper by removing the screw and turning the wheel to increase or decrease the tension, then fasten it back like I'm showing here. Turning the wheel clockwise increases the tension, and you'll notice the tool gets stiffer and crimps the ferrules more tightly. Overall, I like this Haisstronica Ferrule Crimping Kit. It comes with over 1,000 ferrule sleeves of different sizes and offers a proper and stylish storage case. Not to mention that you get a wire stripper as well. This is a complete package for any wiring project that involves working with stranded wires. And the price is decent, just check it out. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. And if you liked this video, please hit the like button and share it in your circles. And I'll see you again in the next one. Goodbye.